Good day, everyone. Most especially to you, Sir Jose Orlando Pulon. So, I'm Sarmi C. Banas, and one of the student in BS Ed 1D. So, in this video, I will make a reflection video about our subject, GE 103 or the Contemporary World. So, before ko po sabihin yung mga natutunan ko sa Contemporary World, ay magkakaroon muna tayo ng kaunting storytelling. Ayan. So, ayun nga po, as I was remember, Sir Polan is the first teacher I've met in our room since nagpalipat ako ng schedule ng night session to morning session. And pagkakaalala ko po nun ako yung pinaka-last na nag-introduce yourself. And sinabi niyo po, last but not the least, Sarah Macy Banas. Ayan, may pa-special mention pa siya. Ayan, and that was the beginning of my journey to learn more about the contemporary world. So, ayun. Ano nga ba ang natutunan ko sa GA 103? So, sa dami ko pong natutunan, hindi ko na po maisa-isa at yung iba hindi ko na maalala. So, this subject really helps me a lot. Helps me to understand myself, even my experience, my communities, our country, and also our culture. So dito sa subject na po na to, nahuhubog yung pagiging open-minded ko. Or let's say na hindi lang ako kundi kaming mga BS Ed 1D or tayo about sa nangyayari sa mundo. Also, yung critical thinking ko ay nahasa rin po. Lalo na't more on memorization and also thinking skills ang need sa contemporary world. So, dahil dito po, nagkaroon ako ng basic knowledge and appreciation about sa globalization o sa ating mundo. So, I also learned that all countries are interconnected to each other. Mapa-political man siya, cultural or economic man dahil sa globalization. So, dito po nalalaman ko kung paano patuloy na nagbabago pa po yung buong mundo kahit sa simpleng pagpapalitan ng produkto ng iba't ibang bansa o tinatawag nating trading. So, sino nakakaalala dito? Ayan, mga bata. Wait lang. Kunyari, ang black ballpen na ito ay ang Pilipinas at ang red ballpen na ito ay ang Amerika. So, ayan, Mr. Ogkir, yan. At ito ang tinatawag nating trading. So, that was one of my unforgettable moment and first recitation ko po sa subject natin na to. So, ayun, as I was saying, kahit po yung mga kultura natin ay naipapakita or napapasa natin dahil sa globalization. Ayan, one more ay globalization taught me about the global issues, inequality, human rights, laws, and also many more. So, I believe that I can easily understand the topic or the discussion because of Sir Polon. Ayan. Aside from that, I learned from Sir Polon that as a student, enjoy lang yung things para lang madali mo siyang magets or maintindihan since very catchy niya rin po magturo and very entertaining. Ayan. Thank you, Sir Polon. Next is, what is my unforgettable moment in GA 103? So, first is the time when Sir Polon is picking on the index card for the recitation. So, every time paparecitation si Sir, syempre, dapat pumasok ka ng school na may nababasa or naaaral. So, there was a time na di ako nakakapag-review and super kabado ko nun. Buti na lang, di ako nabubunot talaga sa index card or natatawag. So, tapos yung panonood ng balita. So, syempre, as a working student, pagod na pag-uwi ng bahay. So, nakakatulog na hindi na po nakakapanood ng balita. Then, nun ay, ang ginagawa ko na lang ay nakikibasa sa baon ng mga classmate ko ng balita. Ayun. Then, nakakapasa naman. Then, second naman ay yung nagalit kayo sa amin, sir, ng time na pinagbulang nyo po kami ng isa-isa ng assign number. Di nasunod yung numbering na yun. So, isa rin po ako dun sa nagkamali ng nasabing number. Then yun, sir, the room feels heavy. Sorry. Ayan, nagtampo po kayo and I felt bad din po na ganun nga ang nangyari. But then, you give us an advisor. You're one of the understanding, inspiring, organized, and everything na lang, sir. Ayan, like kayo po yung nagpapagaan and nagpaparealize sa mga student na katulad ko na stress na college is not the same as when we are in high school. Yes, it's hard, but when we have an instructor like you po, it feels everything can handle that easy. And also, as a future educator, we need to be more responsible and respectful every time. And also, okay lang naman po na mag-enjoy, but alam dapat yung mga responsibilities and responsibilities as a matured student. Ayan. And lastly, I think ang isa pa sa memorable ko and unforgettable moment is yung, syempre, yung class pictorial. Tapos, BS Ed 1D and Polon, Sir Jose Orlando Polon in one frame. Ayan. So, sa akin, syempre, yun yung last time na maituturo sa amin yung the contemporary world with the best teacher. Ayan. But hoping po na maging teacher po namin ulit kayo. Ayan. And, ano pa yung isa ay, ano ang experience about your first sem in college? Ayan. So, as a first college na isa sa mapalad na nakapasa sa KLL, hindi ko na po maiisa-isa yung mga experience na yon, but ang masasabi ko lamang it's wonderful experience, and I say na this school experience ang pinakamasaya and very unforgettable for me. So, doble-doble man yung pagod, but you can't feel na mahirap siya kapag may mga taong alam mong tutulong at magi-inspire sa iyo. Ayan, and that's all, sir. Thank you so much.